The Vegas Nights Flight is a journey above the Las Vegas Strip with the best views possible from the sky. Enjoy all the comforts of the EcoStar helicopter as you soar high above famous Vegas landmarks, such as the Bellagio, Caesars Palace, Stratosphere Tower, downtown Las Vegas, and more. This 12 to 15-minute flight gives you a bird's-eye view of the entire Strip, where you may witness dancing fountains, a volcano eruption, or other Vegas attractions. Guests of legal age can also enjoy a champagne toast prior to departure. Fly Maverick above the Las Vegas Strip.